Hi, I'm Miguel Imperial from Earthauz Inc. and today we are here at the Ritz Tower along Ayala Avenue in Makati City. This luxurious 27-story residential development was built in 1983 and is the residence of choice to some of Metro Manila's elite. With only 220 units, the Ritz allows its residents to enjoy city living at its finest. Situated at the heart of the commercial district of Makati City, it's a stone's throw away to the top establishments the city has to offer. Today we showcase a beautifully renovated 3-bedroom unit here at the Ritz. So come join me as we help you find the best investments on earth.
This spacious 268 square meter renovated condominium unit is a perfect fit for all potential buyers. The unit is equipped with a fully automated blind system and ambient cove lighting in the main living area. The master bedroom is separated by a glass sliding door that leads you to an auxiliary room that can be utilized as an office space or a living space, and of course, even a bedroom. The amazing view of Makati City's central business district and a pocket view of Bonifacio Global City gives you the feel of easy access to everything these cities have to offer. With an ensuite walk-in closet and a bathroom in the master bedroom, this unit offers storage options that is a luxury to have in any condominium living experience. The intentional, adaptable design and flow of the unit makes it suitable for all potential buyers. The kitchen is like a unit in itself, with a number of storage options and countertop space. Cooking and cleaning will be a pleasure to do. Attached to the kitchen are the maid's quarters with an open-air utility area. Earthauz, finding you the best investments on earth.